So it is, the cold weather is here. Finally it is here, and I have a ceramic heater. This is a ceramic heater that is great for like a small space, a little room. It has about 1500 watts to I believe to about 750 watts. Yeah, so once you open it up, you do have the manual for the Get Best heater, and then it's also protected really well. This is a very durable, very compact, very small, but it has a big punch. It does a good job in warming up the area where you want. Once you take it out of the packaging, it has this grayish color, almost chrome like. Very handy. You can carry this along with you when you're going camping, when you're going to grandma's house, when you're going anywhere. I absolutely love how durable it is. See, even with one finger, it's not heavy at all. So one thing I need with a space heater like this is a long cord, and I love how this has such a good long cord, and I can just plug it in. The cord is long enough. Once you plug it in, the next thing, please do not cover this area. It has an off button, it has the fan area and 2 settings, and you can increase the intensity. So we're going to turn it on. So this is off now, so we're going to turn on, and that is what it sounds like. I'm going to increase the intensity. So it's very easy to work with. It's so easy. You can read the manual, but trust me, with this one you don't even need manual. So I'm going to turn it on to level 1, and it's already feeling warm. I am already feeling it, the heat. I'm already feeling it, like almost immediately it starts blowing. One thing about this is that he heats up really quickly to about 95 degrees Fahrenheit in seconds, and it has 12 blades, which eliminates a lot of air turbulence, and it delivers the warmth that you need for a 200 square foot area. You can see it's really nice. So once I move it, you have to be very careful, because you shouldn't be moving a space heater around. It does this little shutting down. This whole area feels so much warmer now. I'm going to turn it off, and it turns off very quickly, and I absolutely love it.